If you are about to make the most important decision in your life as investing and buying a house, you better watch this video all the way to the end. My name is Faisal Sem, your real estate agent in Northern Virginia, and today we're going to be talking about title insurance and why it is important to buy title insurance while you are buying a house. So first of all, let's start with defining title insurance, and we're going to start with a title. So what is a title first? A title to real estate is the right of ownership of a land that is recognized and protected by law. And title insurance is protection against defects that affect the title to the property. What are these defects? Or what is a title defect? Anything that was undiscovered or undisclosed by search when the original policy was issued. Even the best title examiners cannot find things like forgery, fraud, missing heirs, incorrect indexing by the record room, and much more. So let's give an example about missing heir. If, let's say, for example, you have a family of 5 kids, one child gone missing and the family could not find him, therefore it was declared dead. After the parent has died, the 4 other children inherited the property. The child who was gone missing, it came back, so from the death, as we said, and he claimed ownership of the property. Let's name him John, for example. So John came back from the death and said, that's my dad, this is my dad's property, and I have a right of ownership. Does he have right of ownership? Absolutely. So if you don't have a title insurance, he will have a share in the property. But if you do have a title insurance, the title insurance will be dealing with the issue. So that's why it is important to buy title insurance. So owner policy versus lender's policy. So an owner policy is designed to protect the owner's equity by providing a corporate guarantee against insured defect, paying all legal expenses to eliminate any title defect, paying any claim arising from errors in the title examination and recording, paying any loss from hidden defect in title and not of record, versus a lender's policy is designed to protect the lender's loan exposure only. So what are the benefits of title insurance? A title insurance policy affords owners protection against loss or damage up to the face value of the amount of the policy, together with costs, attorney fees, and expenses arising out of all liens upon all defects in the title except those specifically excluded or expected to. Why you want to purchase owner title insurance? Because there were about 36% problem found of all residential real estate transactions, especially on new homes. You would think, oh, this is a new home, it has no lien, no problems, no defects. But to your surprise, it does have issues as a new home. They do have issues as well, and that's why you need to get title insurance. A lender never closes a loan without lender's title insurance being issued. So if a lender is protecting its interest, shouldn't you protect yours as well? So let's say, for example, you buy homeowner insurance because if your house burns down, you can still rebuild on the land, right? But if your title to the property fails, you absolutely have nothing if you don't buy title insurance. And there are 2 types of title insurance. There's a standard one and there's an enhanced one. I always encourage my clients to buy the enhanced one for various reasons. So let's go over what is covered by the standard policy and what is covered by the enhanced policy. And then from there, you will understand why enhanced policy is very important than standard one. As you can see here, most of these items are covered by standard policy and enhanced policy. Only one item, which is mechanics lien, that is not covered by the standard policy. You're going to be asking, what is mechanics lien? So let's say, for example, a general contractor built a deck, right? But the previous owner did not pay the general contractor. The general contractor went to the courts and then he placed a lien on the property because he did not get paid. And he has all the right to do so. So you buy a house, you move in, 1 year, 2 years later, there's a mechanics lien arise that you need to pay this general contractor the $20,000, for example, that cost him to build a deck, for example. So if you buy a standard policy, this mechanics lien is not covered. Therefore, you will have to pay the general contractors the cost to build the deck. Versus if you had bought the enhanced policy, the mechanics lien, it is covered. It's very important to buy the enhanced policy just to eliminate any issues that might arise while you are enjoying your beautiful new home. So on an average house around here, it's about 450,000 to 500,000. So if you are about to make that investment, and which is the most investment in your life, and you are going to buy a $500,000 house, and you're thinking, oh, whether should I buy the title insurance or not? Trust me, you will have to have title insurance to protect your asset and to protect your investments. There are so many stories out there that after the buyer buys a house, issues arise, as I said, missing heirs or mistakes with the recording and so forth. So to eliminate all of that, just go ahead and buy the enhanced policy. We're talking about $1,500 to $2,000 enhanced policy. If you are buying 500,000 home, $2,000 should not be an issue. I hope this video was of value to you, and title insurance is important, and I would encourage you to buy the enhanced one to eliminate any issues. For more real estate tips and advice, please follow me, subscribe to my channel, and you can DM me, you can send me an email, you can call me. I'll be happy to help. Till next time, take care.